omega is complex cube root of unity and a, b, c are the three real numbers, such that what we notice over here is that we are putting the value of omega and omega square in 1 divided by a plus x plus 1 divided by b plus x plus 1 divided by c plus x equal to 2 divided by x, right? If I put omega over here, I'm getting this first equation. If I put the omega square in this equation, I'm getting the second equation. As we know the condition that omega square is 1 divided by omega, right? Please notice this. Then we need to find 1 divided by a plus 1 plus 1 divided by b plus 1 plus 1 divided by c plus 1 equals to what? So these are the two equations given to us. So since omega is equal to 1 divided by omega square and omega square equal to 1 divided by omega, so we get omega and omega square are the roots of the equation 1 divided by a plus x plus 1 divided by b plus x plus 1 divided by c plus x equal to 2 divided by x. So if we put x equal to omega, we are getting the first equation. And if I put x equal to omega square, we are getting the second equation. So omega and omega square are the roots of this equation. Let's take the LCM for this. This is a plus x into b plus x into c plus x in the denominator. And in the numerator, we get the product of b plus x and c plus x plus the product of a plus x and c plus x plus the product of a plus x and b plus x equal to 2 divided by x. We need to simplify this further. So this implies we get bc plus bx plus cx plus x square plus ac plus ax plus cx plus x square, then ab plus ax plus bx plus x square, 2 divided by x into a plus x into b plus x into c plus x. So this implies x square and x square will give us 3x square, and this is ax and this is ax will give us twice of ax, and then bx plus bx twice of bx plus cx and cx twice of cx, plus this is ab plus bc plus ac or ca. So this is AB plus BC plus CA, right? And that is equal to twice of, let me take this x also to the other side, right? And let's open these brackets also. So this is ABC plus BC plus CA plus AB into x, A plus B plus C x square plus x cube. So if you multiply x inside, what we get, 3x cube, second term multiplied with 2x and third term multiplied with x. Let's also multiply 2 inside this bracket. We get twice of ABC, twice of this and twice of the third term and 2x cube. Let me take also x common from this second term, and then we get here the power 2 with x. So this second term is cancelled out with this third term. That further implies 3x cube minus 2x cube gives us x cube, negative of AB plus BC plus CA into x. And then the remaining term this, which is minus 2abc and is equal to 0. So this is the cubic equation we are getting in x. As we have said earlier that omega and omega square are the roots of this equation. And on simplifying this equation, we are getting a cubic equation. That means omega and omega square are the roots of this cubic equation, right? Because it is a cubic equation, there must be one more root of this equation. And let me name that root to be as alpha, that is the third root of this equation. So let alpha be the third root of this equation. So we get alpha, omega and omega square are the roots of x cube minus bc plus ca plus x cube minus ab plus bc plus ca into x minus twice of abc equal to 0, right? And because these three are the roots of this cubic equation, what is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is 0. Why? Because the coefficient of x square is 0. There is no term with x square, right? So the sum of the roots of this cubic equation is 0. That is alpha plus omega square equal to 0. And sum of omega and omega square is equal to -1. Reason, omega and omega square are the cube roots of unity. So for this, the condition is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So from here we get omega plus omega square to be equal to -1, right? So put this value as -1. So this implies alpha plus -1 equal to 0. That is alpha minus 1 equal to 0, and we get alpha to be equal to 1. That means the third root that we have considered to be as alpha for this cubic equation, that alpha is equal to 1. Now as alpha is also the root of this cubic equation, that means alpha is a root of this equation also. So as alpha is the root of the cubic equation x cube minus ab plus bc plus ca into x minus twice abc equal to 0, this implies alpha is the root of the equation 1 divided by a plus x plus 1 divided by b plus x plus 1 divided by c plus x is equal to 2 divided by x. That is 1 divided by a plus alpha plus 1 divided by b plus alpha plus 1 divided by c plus alpha is equal to 2 divided by alpha. And what is the value for alpha? It is equal to 1. So writing here alpha to be as 1, we get 1 divided by a plus 1 plus 1 divided by b plus 1 plus 1 divided by c plus 1 equal to 2 divided by 1. That is 2. This is what we require. Hence, the solution to the required result is 2. Thank you.